The all-new 11th generation Honda Civic has been revealed in European specification. Base version will only be offered as a hybrid model using Honda's eHEV technology. The new Civic's eHEV powertrain pairs a newly developed Atkinson-cycle 2.0-litre petrol engine with two electric motors to produce 181 brake horsepower and 232 pound-feet of torque. Honda said it's targeting official CO2 emission of less than 110 grams per kilometer. Civic drivers will be able to select from 4 driving modes: Eco, Normal, Sport and Individual, which can allow the Civic to switch between fully electric, hybrid and engine-only power. The Individual mode allows the driver to select various settings to customize the car to their specific liking. As for the external styling, the new Civic hatch has certainly been toned down a tad compared to the outgoing model, fewer slashes, no fake vents and all in all a much cleaner look. The front end mirrors that of the Civic Saloon, which has already launched in the US, but the big difference is at the rear where its new fastback design catches the eye. Plus, it's generated a much larger boot opening than the Saloon. Honda designers have also extended the newcomer's wheelbase by 35mm over the outgoing model, plus introduced a wide rear track. The latter is bound to further enhance the Civic's already impressive cornering stability. There are 3 trim levels to choose from: Elegance, Sport and Advance. Pick the range-topping Advance model and inside you'll be greeted by a 10.2-inch driver's display LCD panel and a Bose 12-speaker sound system. There's also a new 9-inch central touchscreen as standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Honda has given the new Civic its new version of Sensing, the firm system of advanced safety features. This includes a 100-degree front wide view camera, improved recognition technology, lane keep assist, low speed braking control and blind spot information. Production of the new Civic will take place in Japan, with Honda recently selling the Swindon plant where previous generations have been built. No prices have been announced for the UK.